Welcome to a world where your smartphone is more than just a device for scrolling through memes and texting your friends. It's a gold mine waiting to be tapped. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting realm of how to make money fast on your phone. Whether you're a student trying to balance studies with earning some extra cash, or someone looking to turn your digital skills into a profitable venture, this is your ultimate guide to unlocking financial freedom right from your pocket. Imagine turning those endless hours of screen time into a productive side hustle. From negotiating advertising deals and managing vibrant online communities to coding the next big app or crafting viral social media content, the opportunities are endless and right at your fingertips. But here's the kicker. In a world where everyone is connected, how will you stand out and make your smartphone work for you? As we explore these paths, think about how you can leverage your unique skills and interests to carve out your niche. So, grab your phone, get comfortable, and let's embark on this journey to transform your digital habits into a thriving income stream. Are you ready to turn your screen time into dollar signs? Let's find out. Chapter 1: Introduction to making money on your phone. In the world where smartphones are practically glued to our hands, the idea of using them to make money fast is not just appealing, it's downright irresistible. Imagine turning those endless hours of scrolling into a productive, cash-generating activity. For students, this isn't just about pocket money. It's about financial empowerment and independence. The beauty of mobile income opportunities lies in their accessibility and flexibility. You don't need a fancy office or a rigid schedule. Your phone is your office, and your schedule is yours to create. The smartphone side hustle is a modern-day marvel. Whether you're taking online surveys, selling your creations, or diving into the gig economy apps, the possibilities are endless. These platforms are designed to fit seamlessly into your life, allowing you to earn cash online without sacrificing your studies or social life. It's about working smarter, not harder. Let's talk about websites like Fiverr. It's a bustling marketplace where your skills and time can be transformed into tangible earnings. From freelance writing to graphic design, there's something for everyone. And the best part, you can do it all from the palm of your hand. Flexible work for students means you can tackle assignments by day and projects by night, all while building a financial cushion for the future. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Making money fast on your phone requires dedication and a bit of strategy. It's about finding the right balance between work and play, between earning and learning. It's about setting goals and sticking to them, even when distractions are just a swipe away. So, how do you start? Begin by exploring different mobile income opportunities that align with your interests and skills. Experiment with various smartphone side hustles until you find the one that clicks. Remember, the key is to stay motivated and adaptable. The digital world is ever-changing, and those who thrive are those who can pivot and evolve. In this journey, you'll discover that your phone is more than just a device. It's a tool for growth and success. Embrace the challenge, seize the opportunities, and watch as your financial landscape transforms. Your phone is your ally, and with the right mindset, you can unlock its full potential and start earning cash online today. Chapter 2: Advertising Deal Broker. Now let's delve into the intriguing world of advertising deal brokers. This smartphone side hustle is perfect for those who love connecting people and have a knack for negotiation. Imagine being the person who bridges the gap between brands and influencers, crafting deals that benefit everyone involved. It's a role that turns your phone into a powerful tool for financial growth, offering a unique mobile income opportunity. The journey begins with identifying the right influencers for a brand. This requires more than just scrolling through social media. It involves understanding the influencer landscape, recognizing who can authentically convey a brand's message, and ensuring their audience aligns with the brand's target market. Once you've pinpointed the right match, the next step is negotiating deals. Here, your communication skills take center stage as you balance the needs and expectations of both parties. It's about creating win-win situations where everyone walks away happy. As you close these deals, you earn commissions, which can vary based on the size and scope of the agreements. This is where the financial rewards come into play, making this side hustle not just flexible work but also a lucrative one. The more deals you broker, the more you learn about the advertising world and the better you become at spotting opportunities. It's a cycle of growth and learning where each success builds on the last. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The advertising world is fast-paced and constantly evolving, requiring you to stay updated on the latest trends and shifts in the market. It demands adaptability and resilience, qualities that are crucial for success in any field. But with dedication and a strategic approach, you can thrive in this space, turning challenges into stepping stones. For students seeking flexible work, becoming an advertising deal broker offers more than just financial rewards. It hones valuable skills like negotiation, communication, and strategic thinking, which can serve you well in any future career path. Chapter 3: Discord Community Manager and Script Writer. As we continue our journey on how to make money on your phone, let's explore the dynamic role of a Discord community manager and script writer. This smartphone side hustle is perfect for those who thrive on creativity and communication, offering a unique opportunity to combine community management with content creation. Being a Discord community manager means you're the lifeline of an online community, keeping conversations lively and ensuring everyone feels welcome. It's not just about moderating, it's about building a space where members feel engaged and connected. Your phone becomes your command center, allowing you to manage interactions, resolve conflicts, and build relationships, all while earning an income. The potential for growth is immense as you can expand your network and influence while gaining valuable experience. On the other hand, script writing allows you to unleash your creativity. Whether you're crafting engaging narratives or developing content strategies, your words have the power to captivate and inform. This part of the role requires a keen eye for detail and a flair for storytelling, making it a perfect fit for those who love writing and want to make money fast on their phones. Balancing these roles involves a mix of community management, content creation, and client engagement. It's about setting the tone for interactions, creating compelling content, and ensuring that clients' needs are met. The skills you develop here, communication, creative writing, and networking, are invaluable, not just for this role, but for any future career path. The beauty of this smartphone side hustle lies in its flexibility. You can work from anywhere, set your own schedule, and choose projects that excite you. It's a mobile income opportunity that offers both financial rewards and personal growth. Plus, as you hone your skills, you open doors to more opportunities in the gig economy app landscape. For students, this role offers a chance to gain real-world experience while earning an income. It's about leveraging your smartphone to explore flexible work options that align with your interests and goals. Embrace the challenge, connect with communities, and watch as you transform your passion into profit. Chapter 4: Software Development and Content Editing. Building on our previous discussions, let's delve into the world of software development and content editing, two dynamic avenues that allow you to make money fast on your phone. These roles are ideal for those who enjoy both technical challenges and creative expression, offering a smartphone side hustle that combines coding with storytelling. As a software developer, your phone becomes a powerful tool for creating apps and solutions that meet market demands. This role requires technical skills and a problem-solving mindset, allowing you to develop software that can make life easier for users and businesses alike. The potential for income is significant, as you can create and sell your own apps or work as a freelancer on various projects. It's about turning your ideas into reality and watching them come to life on the screens of thousands. Content editing, on the other hand, involves curating and enhancing written or visual content to ensure it resonates with the target audience. This role taps into your creative side, requiring an eye for detail and a passion for storytelling. Whether you're editing articles, videos, or social media posts, your work ensures that content is engaging, polished, and ready to capture attention. It's about taking raw material and refining it into something impactful. Balancing these roles involves understanding market demand, honing technical skills, and mastering creative editing. It's about recognizing industry needs and delivering solutions that stand out. The skills you develop, coding, editing, and market analysis, are invaluable and can open doors to numerous opportunities in the gig economy. The beauty of this smartphone side hustle lies in its flexibility and growth potential. You can work from anywhere, set your own schedule, and choose projects that align with your interests. It's a mobile income opportunity that offers both financial rewards and personal development. As you refine your skills, you can explore more opportunities in the gig economy app landscape. Just like I said in the previous chapter, these roles offer a chance to gain real-world experience while earning an income. It's about leveraging your smartphone to explore flexible work options that align with your interests and goals. Embrace the challenge, connect with communities, and watch as you transform your passion into profit. In this ever-evolving digital age, the power to shape your future is literally at your fingertips. Whether you're coding the next big app or editing content that inspires, remember that every tap and swipe can bring you closer to your goals. So, dive in, explore, and let your smartphone be the gateway to your success. Chapter 5: Executive Assistance and Social Media Management. As we reach the final stretch of our journey on how to make money fast on your phone, let's explore the roles of executive assistants and social media management. These positions offer unique opportunities for those who are organized, communicative, and strategically minded, making them ideal smartphone side hustles. In the realm of executive assistance, your phone becomes your command center. You're the behind-the-scenes hero, managing schedules, coordinating meetings, and ensuring everything runs smoothly. This role demands exceptional organizational skills and the ability to anticipate needs before they arise. The beauty of this gig is its flexibility. You can handle tasks from anywhere, making it a perfect fit for students seeking mobile income opportunities. The potential for growth is significant as you can expand your network and gain valuable experience while earning an income. Meanwhile, social media management taps into your creative and strategic skills. It's about crafting engaging content, analyzing trends, and building a brand's online presence. This role requires a deep understanding of various platforms and the ability to communicate a brand's message effectively. The earning potential is substantial, especially as you build a portfolio and establish yourself as a go-to expert in the field. It's a chance to transform your passion for social media into a profitable venture. Balancing these roles involves mastering organization, communication, and strategic planning. As we wrap up this journey into the world of making money fast on your phone, take a moment to consider the incredible potential that lies at your fingertips. From becoming a savvy advertising deal broker to mastering the art of social media management, each path offers unique opportunities to turn your smartphone into a powerful tool for financial growth. Whether you're diving into software development, honing your skills as a Discord community manager, or balancing the demands of executive assistants, the possibilities are as diverse as they are exciting. Remember, the key to success in these smartphone side hustles is flexibility and adaptability. It's about finding what resonates with you, honing your skills, and seizing the mobile income opportunities that align with your passions and goals. The gig economy is vast, and your phone is your gateway to exploring it all. But here's the real question. In a world where technology evolves at lightning speed, how will you harness the power of your smartphone to shape your future and achieve your dreams? As you ponder this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going and inspire each other to reach new heights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and innovating.